Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra grill. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and help prevent any damage to your vehicle's components. Let's get started. Now, let's tackle the upper fasteners. Begin by opening the hood of your GMC Sierra. You'll see 8 plastic push pins along the top of the grill. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry up the center of each pin, then remove the entire pin. This step is crucial for detaching the top section. Next, we'll focus on the lower section. Look for 4 10mm bolts situated along the bottom edge of the grill. Use your ratchet with the 10mm socket to carefully remove each of these bolts. After the bolts are out, gently release the remaining lower clips using your trim removal tool to avoid breakage. With all fasteners and bolts removed, the grill is now ready to come off. Gently pull the entire grill assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be mindful of any wiring, such as for fog lights or sensors, and disconnect them carefully. Store your grill in a safe place to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.